We're ready to start our journey into internal controls. But let's start first with the components of internal controls. Each of these components of internal controls will have their own lecture, but we're going to list them out in this discussion. Control environment. This is the attitude of management and their employees regarding the need for internal controls. If the controls are taken seriously, this greatly enhances the robustness of the system of internal control. Risk assessment. This is the process of reviewing the business to see where the most critical risks lie, and then designing controls to address those risks. This assessment must be conducted on a regular basis to take into account any new risks introduced by changes in the business. Control activities. This is the use of accounting systems, information technology, and other resources to ensure that appropriate controls are put in place and operating properly. Information and communication. Information about controls should be communicated to management in a timely manner so that shortfalls can be addressed promptly. The amount of information communicated should be appropriate to the needs of the recipient. And finally, monitoring. This is the set of processes used by management to examine and assess whether its internal controls are functioning properly. Ideally, management should be able to spot control failures and make adjustments to improve the control environment. So as we review these components, I'm going to list these on the side as we go through each internal control lecture so that you'll never forget control environment, risk assessment, control activities, information and communication, and monitoring. And those are the components of internal controls.